Hi guys, in this tutorial I will be taking you from this to this. Just stay tuned, grab your cup of coffee and let's get started. Basically, combing the hair is the first thing you need to do before starting any haircut. It makes the cutting process so much easier. Here my client asked for a number 4 guard on the top, so I will be going against the grain, but on the side I won't be going all the way to the skin. As you can see, I'm starting my first primary guideline with the lever fully open. That's exactly what my client asked for, some sort of shadow fade, not really wanting it to be all the way scaled. Now with the one guard and the lever fully open, I'm setting my secondary guideline. This one is just above the shadow guideline we set earlier. When it comes to the back side, I'm going a bit higher than the side. Here with a half guard, what we are trying to achieve here is a transition between the shadow guideline we did earlier with the lever fully open and the one guard open. So I'll be going from halfway to fully closed to create this kind of transition. Now with the 1.5 guard, I'm creating my third guard line. As you can see, I'm carefully debooking around the lower part of the head bone that flows into the top. As you can see, I'm going back in with a 1 guard. Basically, I'm establishing a clean connection between the 1.5 and 0.5 guard. Guys, this is a guard to guard technique, so pay close attention to every section. Brushing the fade area is very helpful, so make sure you are brushing as you fade. Here I went back in with the 0 guard to clean up the entire area. As you can see, this fade is really coming together. Here I'm just testing the 4 guard to see how it's going to cut. Now that I'm through with the test, I'm cutting the entire area with the 4 guard going against the grain. Now with the 3 guard, I'm focusing on the book on the side, which you can see right there around the edges of the upper side of the bone that flows into the top. So I'll be fading down using number 3, number 2 and 1.5 guard to get everything clean up. When it comes to leveling the top, this is the technique I use to make the top look even neater. This is the easiest method you can shampoo your client's hair and clean up some loose hair on the go without much stress at all. One thing I like about this technique is that after everything is said and done, it looks much cleaner and more professional. Here, I added a handful of product to style my client's hair. Here is the actual method I personally use to prep my client's hairline before making my first trimmer cut. Guys, if you really want it crispy, you can start doing that. It's very important. Guys, this is the cut. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any other type of haircut you do like to see next, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one.